Ted's Woodworking, Best Review. Welcome to this honest review about Ted's Woodworking. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to get all new reviews like this. As a woodworker, you may have realized that finding the right detailed plans to build some custom projects to meet specific needs can be very difficult. This is among the most common problems woodworkers face today, but luckily for you, this and other related problems shouldn't bother you. Get more 16,000 woodworking projects for a limited time. Only click on the first link in the description. At tedswoodworking.com, Ted McGrath, a certified master woodworker, trainer, and the author gives more than 16,000 plans, with step-by-step blueprints for various woodworking projects. So, what's Ted's Woodworking all about? Building complex projects or even the simple ones to meet specific needs can be very difficult even to experienced woodworkers, especially when you can't find a detailed plan. And most of the so-called step-by-step guides, found online and in various magazines, make building some projects harder than they should be. This is because the plans are sometimes not specific enough, or their instructions leave out crucial information, assuming that you have enough experience to know what to do. In addition, often, such plans don't have enough detail. For instance, some don't include pictures, or the pictures they have don't match what they are telling you. Still, some don't even include cut sheets, so you are forced to guesstimate materials. So, get access to Ted's Woodworking now. The link in the description. You can download the entire Ted's Woodworking 16,000 plans package, and all the bonuses right now. Ted McGrath spent over 25 years studying these problems and finding solutions. He put together a comprehensive collection of woodworking plans. tedswoodworking.com is his website that offers woodworkers solutions to various woodworking problems, especially those related to finding the right plans for various projects. The site has detailed plans for over 16,000 projects. Who is Ted's Woodworking for? If you are a woodworker, looking for detailed plans to start building your dream projects, or if you want a variety of plans for various unique projects, then tedswoodworking.com has you covered.